Every day I build tech from scratch. Today, a $15 iPad Air. First, the parts. Mainboard $4, inner screen $3, used outer screen $1, back cover $2, used battery $1. Front and rear cameras $1, free speakers, fingerprint and antenna $1. That's every part for this build. Total $15. Will it even turn on? Enough talk, let's start building. Install the buttons and the mic. Front camera, charging port, rear camera, and the left and right speakers. Antenna. Clip in the cables, then the mounting bracket. The battery, fingerprint cable, and outer screen cable. Inner screen cable, then the cable bracket. Inner screen screws, then connect the screen. Snap on the outer screen. All done. Moment of truth. 3, 2, 1. Super smooth and fluid, perfect for scrolling videos and casual games. Built an iPad Air for $15. Challenge complete. Follow for more DIY builds. See you next time.